Pat's patty melt. Fat Pat's uh, little grill here today. Just a little bar and grill, and I heard they had good burgers, so may not be eating healthy today, but I'm gonna see what their burger tastes like. And again, this is another place that came recommended, so I'm gonna try it out and see how the burgers taste and see where we go from there. As you see behind me, they got this little sports bar, so we got lots of TVs in here and stuff like that to watch your TV with and stuff like that. So, gonna get in here and we're gonna try their hamburger patty and hamburger and see what their signature burger. I'm trying their signature burger. It's called the Patty Burger, and see what they have and see how good it is. Well, the burger has arrived. You look at that. You got two patties, lettuce, onion, tomato, bacon on there. You got fries here. So, I'll tell you what, that looks pretty good there. So, we're going to sit here and we're going to try it here in just a few seconds here. You don't get much better than that, man. That's a big burger there. All right, we're going to get into this burger here. We're going to see what we got here. They gave you enough napkins here, and total a whole bunch of napkins over here on the side here. I do notice that the buns were not toasted at all, so they got mayonnaise on them, but they weren't toasted, so I kind of like when you have a toasted bun. It just makes the burger seem better, I think, but we'll try this out here. This is their signature bun here, signature hamburger here. Big one. That's a pretty good burger. The flavor of the meat's pretty good. Mixed with the lettuce and the tomato. The onion in there. Flavor of the meat's pretty good. That's your meat. It's got good flavor. So, pretty good taste of that. So, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. French fries are really good. Really salty, but a lot of people like it. And, their French fries have good salt on it. I like a little bit of pepper on mine, so that's why I'm putting some pepper on it. And we're gonna try get some of their ketchup here. Put some ketchup in the bowl here for the fries here. See how that makes it taste. I always look for ideas of what I can do in the Philippines for some sort of a business. This one thing, like hamburgers and stuff like that, French fries, I think people would eat it. Molly always tells me that they're not American, they're Filipino. But who doesn't like a good hamburger and good French fries? My other goal was to go over there and set up a barbecue restaurant. Not a, not a barbecue, pulled pork, pulled chicken, something like that. And serve sandwiches. And serve it kind of like in a bread basket like this. Little paper in there, and put you a pulled pork sandwich and some fries in there. I think it'd sell. Little French fries maybe. It'd be different for them, but I think it would sell if you learn to make a good pulled pork or pulled chicken, to serve with it. One thing I feel about starting something up in the Philippines also is you always worry about a copycat, somebody picking up what you're doing. And as long as you maintain what Filipinos do and you're trying to serve a meal out of what they do, always somebody going to be copycatting you. So that's why I like to change up a little bit and maybe do pulled pork, pulled chicken, something like that. And unless they get your recipe and get your sauce recipe, that there's nobody gonna be able to copycat you. So I think it'd make a good idea to do something like that over the Philippines. And like this guy said, it's a signature burger here. Who else makes a burger like it? Well, there's all sorts of other burgers, but there's nothing that tastes like this one. So, and it may be a little more. The problem I'm worried about is the expenses in the Philippines and who would buy the stuff that you want to do. So that's my big dilemma right now. Coming up with a plan, coming up with a business plan, figuring it all out, make it work. But that's still in the works, down the road. So right now while I'm in the States, work and hopefully try to set aside some stuff, or even supply Molly with the things she needs to do her business too, and also like that. And hopefully get things going here one of these days. So we'll see as it goes along. But Fat Patty's got a good hamburger here, decent hamburger, decent fries and everything, so pretty good deal. Gotten into the bacon in that, and that bacon along with that hamburger makes it really taste good. Good flavor in that. American food. I don't know if Filipino will like it, but American food is pretty good.